Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to search keywords within your recorded audio. So Samsung's voice recorder now has a transcribe feature that not only converts speech to text, but also lets you search for specific keywords in your recording. So this is perfect for meetings, interviews, lectures. So you just have to type a word and jump right to a part of the audio. Total time saver for students and professional. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up our voice recorder. And let's just go ahead and record something. Now here I have recorded an article which I read out to my phone and basically named it transcribe this. So I can go ahead and tap on that voice recording and then I can go ahead and tap on transcribe. Now this will basically go through my recorded audio and we'll see, and here I have to set the audio. So I'll go ahead and set it to English, transcribe it. This will now basically go through the audio and will basically read out what I have said. So now using this transcript, I can go ahead and search for anything I like. So say for example, I'm searching for iOS, and as you can see, it has now brought me iOS. So it's found something related to iOS. Let's go ahead and let me do a search for Twitter. So there you go. So here as an example, if you're a uni student, you can go ahead and record all your lectures which you sit in, and then you can go back home and basically go through your notes. So if there's anything important or is any keyword you want to find in the lecture audio, you can go ahead and do a search and you can basically find more information about this. So there you go guys, that is how to search keywords within your recorded audio on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.